Before Dodge built Hellcats, before 700 horsepower became normal, there was a time when one car ruled the streets with pure big block power. Today we're looking at a rare 1968 Dodge Coronet R/T convertible with a factory 440 V8, and this machine represents the golden age of American muscle. What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you love rare American muscle, timeless design, and the raw sound of big block power, then you're in the right place. And before we dive into this incredible machine, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the legendary cars we bring to life here. Today, we're standing in front of something truly special, not just a classic car, but a symbol of the golden era of Detroit muscle. A machine built when engineers didn't worry about subtlety or restraint. They built cars with attitude, power, and unforgettable presence. This is the 1968 Dodge Coronet R/T convertible. This color isn't just beautiful, it perfectly represents the bold spirit of the late 1960s. Back then, muscle cars were loud, proud, and impossible to ignore, and this Coronet captures that personality perfectly. Every body line feels aggressive, yet elegant. The long hood stretches forward like a runway for power, while the wide stance gives the car a planted, muscular presence. There's something incredibly confident about this design. It doesn't need wings or exaggerated styling to look intimidating, it simply exists with pure American strength, and sitting proudly on the side of this car is a badge that instantly commands respect among Mopar enthusiasts. RTT. Road and track. Back in 1968, that badge meant one thing: serious performance. The Coronet RT was Dodge's answer to the growing muscle car wars, and it delivered everything enthusiasts demanded: big engines, aggressive styling, and a driving experience that could turn any road into an adventure. But what makes this particular Coronet even more special is the fact that it's a convertible, because when you combine open-air freedom with big block muscle, the result is something unforgettable. Sitting proudly in the engine bay is the factory-correct 440 cubic inch V8. Now this is where the magic truly begins. In the late 1960s, the 440 Magnum engine became one of Chrysler's most respected power plants. Equipped with a 4-barrel carburetor, this massive big block delivered approximately 375 horsepower and an incredible amount of torque. It wasn't just fast, it was brutally powerful, capable of launching this car forward with authority the moment you touch the throttle. But the true beauty of the 440 isn't just its power, it's the sound. The engine explodes to life. A deep, thunderous roar pours from the dual exhaust system as the entire car vibrates with raw mechanical energy. The sound is rich, powerful, and unmistakably Mopar. It's the kind of engine note that sends chills down your spine and instantly transports you back to an era when horsepower ruled the streets. Power from this legendary big block flows through Chrysler's famous A727 TorqueFlite transmission. This 3-speed automatic became legendary for its durability and smooth performance, making it the perfect companion for the immense torque of the 440 engine. This isn't just a car cruising down the road, it's a moving piece of automotive history. The ride itself feels surprisingly refined, thanks to power steering and power brakes, giving the driver confidence and control even with all that big block muscle under the hood. The white vinyl convertible top begins to move. With the push of a button, the power-operated roof slowly folds down, revealing the open sky above. In seconds, the Coronet transforms from a beautiful classic coupe into the ultimate open-air muscle machine. The contrast between the bright white convertible top and the deep blue paint is simply stunning. It creates a timeless color combination that feels both elegant and bold at the same time. Everything inside feels authentic to the late 1960s. The seats are wrapped in beautifully restored vinyl. The dashboard carries that unmistakable Mopar design language, and chrome accents add a subtle touch of vintage luxury throughout the cockpit. You sit behind the steering wheel and suddenly it feels like the entire road is waiting just for you. The gauges sit perfectly in front of the driver, ready to track every mile of the journey ahead. With the top down and the rumble of the V8 echoing through the air, every drive becomes something unforgettable. But what truly elevates this Coronet beyond just a beautiful muscle car is the documentation that comes with it. This vehicle includes restoration photos and detailed documentation that tell the story of how it was brought back to its current glory. Every stage of the restoration process has been carefully preserved, showing the attention to detail and passion that went into rebuilding this machine. And perhaps the most exciting piece of history included with the car is the factory build sheet. For collectors, the build sheet is one of the most valuable documents a classic car can have. It confirms the car's original specifications straight from the factory, the engine, the color, the options, and the equipment that made this car unique the day it left the assembly line. It's a direct connection to the moment this car was first born in 1968. The factory 14-inch wheels keep the car true to its original character, but the additional set of Foose 17-inch wheels included with the car offers the option of a slightly more aggressive modern stance for those who want it. And when you combine rarity, documentation, stunning restoration, and legendary Mopar performance, it becomes clear why this incredible machine carries a value of around $126,995. But honestly, cars like this aren't just about price. They're about emotion. They're about the sound of a big block V8 roaring down an open road. They're about the feeling of wind rushing past as you drive with the top down on a warm summer evening. They're about preserving a time when Detroit built cars with bold ambition and unstoppable power. Because the truth is, legends like the 1968 Dodge Coronet R/T Convertible never fade away. They only become more valuable, more admired, and more unforgettable with time. And this one is ready to write its next chapter on the open road.